Welcome, here I've got Honor 7X and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now let's just simply slide to the right to open camera settings, and here at the second position we have GPS tag option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on location information of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture. To check its location, let's move to right corner here to the button with A letter. To get access to details, now we have to slide a little bit down, and at the last place we have location option with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.